Manjeera Sangareddy.
Narsarapet, are you here na? Designated day certificates for Save the Environment, Economics and Community Development, Disease Prevent and Treatment, Basic Education Literacy, Supporting Education, Teachers Day Celebrations and Awards, Saving Environment, Distributing of Clay Ganesh Idols, and Gold DG Citation for Narsarapet. Please give a big round of applause. It's not so easy to get the DG Citation. RI Citation much easier than DG Citation. And new member induction, Anjaneyulu Kattamuri, Dr. Vasant Raya, Ramesh and Venkateshwar Rao, Dr. Rajendra Reddy, Pandurangarao Garu K, and new member induction, Srinivas Rao Rayal, and new member induction recognition, Sesibhushan Potti, President, and number 1 club Andhra Region Speaker Meetings, number 1 club in Andhra Region Public Image, number 2 club in Andhra Region Rotary Foundation, number 3 club in Andhra Region Youth Services, number 1 club in District Water and Sanitation, number 3 club in District Membership and Club Membership Growth, new member recognition clubs, Gold Star Club, new member club induction, and Rotary Foundation $5,000 to $10,000 club.
Manjeera Sangareddy దయచేసి రెడీగా ఉండండి.
And now this is the time to give a big round of applause for the Andhra Region Large Clubs. First best president, Sesibhushan. Next, I am requesting Mancheriala people be available here. Next, Mancheriala, new member induction. Vajjala Niranjan.
Manjeera Sangareddy next.
Mancheriala, one recognition is there. Macharla, Save the Environment Certificate for Designated Day, Disease Prevention and Treatment, Supporting Education, Teachers Day Celebration Awards, Save the Environment Award, Economic and Community Development, Basic Education and Literacy, Special Protection, Supporting Education, Teachers Day Celebration Awards to Macharla. Thanks to Macharla Club for joining us. Next, Manjeera Sangareddy, please be available here. After Manjeera Sangareddy, Martur Club, please be available here. Martur. Manjeera Sangareddy, Save the Environment, Designated Day, and Economic and Community Development, and Basic Education Literacy, and Vocational Services, presenting Vocational Excellency Awards, and Supporting Education, Teachers Day Celebrations and Awards, Special Project Recognition, Saving the Environment, Distribution of Clay Ganesh Idols, and Special Recognition for the Pusa Linga Gout for members thing, and Region number 1 club for Telangana Region Vocational Services. Congratulations, Manjeera Sangareddy. Next, Martur.
మార్టూర్ తర్వాత మియాపూర్ క్లబ్ అండి.
Martur Club, Designated Certificates, Save the Environment, Economic and Community Development, Disease Prevention and Treatment, Basic Education and Literacy, Fighting Disease, Organized Eye Testing Camps, Fighting Disease, Sanitation Villages, Promoting Peace and Distribution of Groceries to the Needy, Saving the Environment, Vanamahotsavam, and Supporting the Education, Teachers Day Celebration Awards, Saving the Environment, Distribution of Clay Ganesh Idols. And DG Citation, they got the bronze citation. Please, big round of applause for the DG Citation for this club. And new member induction, Mr. Ashok, Induri Anjaneyulu, Koteshwar Rao, Ravi Ankam Chaudhary, Venkat Mohan Rao Jasti, Martur Basavaramulu, and Andhra Region All-Round Community Services number 2 club, number 1 club in District Environment Projects, number 2 club in District Water and Sanitation, Rotary Foundation $2,000 to $5,000, and a special recognition, second best club in Andhra Region Large Clubs. Big round of applause for this distinguished achievement for the club. Miyapur is there. Miyapur.
తర్వాత మహబూబాబాద్.
Mahbubabad. Please raise your hand. Any Mahbubabad person is here. Please come forward. Mahbubabad, please. Mahbubabad, Basic Education and Literacy, Designated Day Certificate, Special Project for Recognition, Supporting Education, Distributing of Vermiset Vidyasagar, Nageshwar Rao Male, and Save, Male. These are the certificates for the Mahbubabad. Thank you, Mahbubabad, being here. Next, Narsampet. Anybody are here in Narsampet? Raise your hands. Narsampet. Narsapur Club, Mohan Reddy garu.
నర్సాపూర్ క్లబ్
ये बारात नहीं है बिल्कुल. Nizamabad certificates name Save the Environment, Economic and Community Development, Disease Prevention and Treatment, Basic Education Literacy, Stretcher Bed Project, Fighting Disease, Donating Oxygen Cylinders and Concentrators, Rotary Public Image Setting up of Bus Shelter, Special Prize Teachers Day Celebration and Awards, Distinguished Clay Ganesh Idols, DG Citation Gold. Let us give a big round of applause for the DG Citation. And new member induction Akul Ashok, Babu Rao, Darshan Singh, Jagdishwar, Jitendra Malani, Raj Shubedar. And at regional level awards, region number 2, Telangana Regional Speaker Meetings, region number 2 club, Telangana Regional Vocational Services, Telangana Region Disease Prevention Treatment number 2 club, Rotary Foundation number 2 club in the region, District Environment Project number 2 club, and $2,000 to $5,000 to the Rotary Foundation. Please give applause for this Rotary Foundation contribution. And there are some special awards now to be recognized.
తర్వాత
In the large clubs category, third best secretary, Mr. Babu Rao. Third best secretary for the region Telangana large clubs, Mr. Babu Rao. And third best president for the Telangana, Darshan Singh Soki. Please give applause. And at least and second best club in the Telangana region in the large clubs. Second best club in Telangana region large clubs. Thank you for your wonderful show for the year, Darshan and team.
తర్వాత లక్సెట్టిపెట్ గ్రీన్ క్లబ్ సభ్యులు రెడీగా ఉండవలసిందండి, స్టేజ్ దగ్గరికి రావాలి. తర్వాత ఒంగోల్ సెంట్రల్.
లక్సెట్టిపేట ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా? చేయొద్దండి ఒకసారి రండి. అలాగే ఒంగోలు సెంట్రల్ లక్ష్మీ అన్న గారు. ఒంగోలు సెంట్రల్ లక్ష్మణ గారు, ప్లీజ్ బి అవైలబుల్ హియర్. ఆఫ్టర్ ఒంగోలు సెంట్రల్ కామారెడ్డి ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా? కామారెడ్డి మీరు వచ్చి కొద్దిగా ముందుకు నిలబడండి. ఎవరికి? లక్సెట్పేట.
తర్వాత కామారెడ్డి సభ్యులు రెడీగా ఉండండి.
లక్సెట్పేట third best president award, Laksetpet. Please wait, sir. Laksetpet. Third best club in the Telangana. Ongole Central. Special project recognition, saving the environment, distributing of clay Ganesha. New member induction, Gopisetti Kishore, Lakshmi Narayana, Srinivas, Venkat Rao Mannam, Save the Environment Mannam. And there is a special recognition for the Ongole Central. Small clubs, third best secretary. Third best secretary for small clubs in Andhra, Ongole Central. And small clubs, Andhra region, third best president, President Ongole Central. Venkat Rao garu. Venkat Rao garu.
కామారెడ్డి తర్వాత కరీంనగర్ సభ్యులు.
Kamareddy, Save the Environment Certificate, Basic Education Literacy, and Member Induction, Sri Sailam, and Designated Day Certificate for Economic and Community Development. Designated Certificate, Basic Education Literacy. Yeah. And a special recognition for Kamareddy. Small Clubs, First Best President, Mr. Jaypal Reddy. Please give a big round of applause for Jaypal Reddy. Next. Karimnagar Anand garu unnaru ikkada. Karimnagar Basic Education Literacy Certificate and D.K. Anand garu for New Member Induction Certificate, and number 2 club in Telangana region for club membership growth, and number 2 club in Telangana region for membership extension by giving a new club, and a new member recognition clubs Star Club. And there are special recognition for the club. Small clubs, first best secretary and third best club in small clubs Telangana region. Next. Khammam club, Vasudev garu.
ఖమ్మం తర్వాత కొంపల్లి క్లబ్ సభ్యులు రెడీగా ఉండవలసిందండి.
Khammam, Designated as Prevention and Treatment, Basic Education Literacy, New Member Induction of Samsarao garu, Doddapaneni, New Member Induction by Vasudev Malladi garu, and number 3 club in the Telangana region, Disease Prevention and Treatment, number 3 club Telangana region membership extension. Longleaf Khammam club for giving Limbia Day for needy, and special recognition for this club is B. Sudhakar garu, third best secretary of the Telangana large clubs, and second best club in small clubs. Yeah, second best club in Telangana region after Khammam, Medchal.
తర్వాత క్షీరపురి చీరాల
Save the Environment Certificate, Economic and Community Development Certificate, Disease Prevention and Treatment, Basic Education and Literacy, Special Project Supporting Education and Teachers Day Celebrations, DG Citation Bronze. Please give a big round of applause for the DG Citation. And new member induction by Divya Shah, Dr. Ashok, Ram Bandi, Sarush Fanyan, V. Mallareddy, Hanun Basha, Parag Shah, and City Small Clubs, Twin Cities Region Water and Sanitation number 2 club, and number 2 club and district membership club growth, and a new member recognition, Gold Star member recognition. Big round of applause. They added good number of members in the club. And special recognitions now. Should I announce about the secretary or president first? President or secretary? Whom you want me to announce? What is your choice? Senior guy. Sarush Fanyan, first best secretary in the small clubs, Twin Cities. Second best president in Twin Cities small clubs, Parag Shah. Second best club in Twin Cities small. आप वजन नहीं ले सकते हैं. Next, క్షీరపురి చీరాల ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా?
క్షీరపురి చీరాల ఉన్నారా అండి?
ఎకనామిక్ పండరీపురం వాళ్ళు కూడా చేయండి ముందుకి. సంగారావు గారి లీడర్షిప్లో పండరీపురం. క్షీరపురి చీరాల ఎకనామిక్ అండ్ కమ్యూనిటీ డెవలప్మెంట్ సర్టిఫికేట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ డాక్టర్ గారు. నెక్స్ట్ పండరీపురం.
పండరీపురం తర్వాత పంగలూరు, రోటరీ క్లబ్ ఆఫ్ పంగలూరు.
డొనేటింగ్ ఆక్సిజన్ సిలిండర్స్, స్పెషల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ రెకగ్నిషన్, ఫైటింగ్ డిసీజ్, కండక్టింగ్ మెడికల్ క్యాంప్స్, growing local economy, awareness programs on organic farming. Please give a big round of applause for the Pandaripuram. And new member inductions, Boggavarapu, Divvel Subramanian garu, Raghuram Reddy garu, Raghavai garu, Kolla Sangarao garu, Kolla Subbarao garu. Now at regional level they got a good number of awards. Regional number 1 club, Andhra region for Rotary Foundation, number 3 club in vocational services, number 3 club in public image, number 3 club in all-round community services, number 3 club in club membership growth, number 3 club in district environment projects, and new member recognition clubs. Star Club members, they are the Star Club in new membership growth, and Rotary Foundation 4,000 to 10,000 US. Please give big round of applause for their benevolence for the Rotary Foundation.
పంగులూరు అండి. తర్వాత పరచూరు సెంట్రల్.
Big round of applause for so many people attended after doing lot of hard work at a far distance from the Hyderabad. Now I'm inviting Pangaluru, new member induction by Subbarao Garu, Chilkur Veer Raghavai Garu, and Venkat Subbarao Garu. And Pangaluru is the Andhra Region Environment Project number 1 club and number 2 club in Wastewater Sanitation Club, and first best club in Andhra Region Small Clubs. Next, Parchur Central. మా డాక్టర్ కేఎస్ఆర్ ప్రసాద్ గారు రెడీగా ఉన్నారు. Education literacy, special recognition for Teachers Day celebrations. Number 2 club on Andhra Region Vocational Services. Rotary Foundation $2,000 to $5,000. And special recognition for best secretary, second best secretary in small clubs, Andhra Region, D. Srinivasarao Garu. And second best president, T. Ramesh Chandra Garu for Andhra Region small clubs. Next, పెదనందిపాడు రెడీగా ఉన్నారండి. పెదనందిపాడు
తర్వాత పిడుగురాళ్ళ లైమ్ సిటీ.
పెదనందిపాడు సేవ్ ద ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ సర్టిఫికేట్ లక్ష్మీనారాయణ గారు ఫర్ న్యూ మెంబర్ ఇండక్షన్. పెదనందిపాడు ఆంధ్ర రీజియన్ స్మాల్ క్లబ్, సెకండ్ బెస్ట్ క్లబ్ ఇన్ ఆంధ్ర రీజియన్.
పిడుగురాళ్ళ లైమ్ సిటీ తర్వాత పొన్నూరు.
Pidugural Lime City District certificates for Save the Environment, Economic and Community Development, Disease Prevention and Treatment, Maternal and Child Health, Basic Education and Literacy, and Special Project for Supporting Education Teachers Day celebrations, and Saving Environment, Distributing of Clay Ganesh idols, and DG Citation Silver. Please give big round of applause for the DG Citation. And Special Recognition for Fighting Disease Prevention, Large Clubs, Andhra Region, First Best Secretary, K. Srinivasarao. Next, Ponnur Club. Save the Environment, Economic and Community Development, Disease Prevention and Treatment, certificates for the designated days, and new member Balakrishna Nannapaneni, and Rotary Foundation $2,000 to $5,000.
తర్వాత జగిత్యాల సెంట్రల్.
And for Ponnur large clubs, third best secretary Radhakrishna Garu. After Ponnur,
జగిత్యాల సెంట్రల్.
జగిత్యాల సెంటర్ ఎవరున్నారండి చేతున్న ఒకసారి.
జూబ్లీ హిల్స్ తర్వాత జూబ్లీ
హిల్స్ క్లబ్ అంటే ఎవరు వచ్చారు? ఎవరు వచ్చినట్టు లేరు అసలు జూబ్లీ హిల్స్ నుంచి. నేను ఒక్కడనే ఉన్నా, అందరు అవార్డ్స్ నేనే తీసుకోవాలి. జూబ్లీ హిల్స్ క్లబ్. జూబ్లీ హిల్స్ ఏ స్పెషల్ అవుట్స్టాండింగ్ రిటర్న్ అవార్డ్ ఫర్ జి జ్యోతిరెడ్డి గారు ఫర్ హర్ కంట్రిబ్యూషన్ టువర్డ్స్ కండక్టింగ్ ది ఇంటరాక్టర్స్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్. రాధాకృష్ణ జూబ్లీ హిల్స్ క్లబ్ ఎక్కడున్నారు బాబు? జూబ్లీ హిల్స్ రాధాకృష్ణ, ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఆఫ్ జూబ్లీ హిల్స్.
తర్వాత రేపల్లె రూరల్ వాళ్ళు రెడీగా ఉండండి. రేపల్లె రూరల్.
Jubilee Hills is awarded for their work in saving the environment, economic and community development, disease prevention and treatment, maternal and child health, basic education and literacy, and their donation of 35 kVA generator to Rani Kumudini Cancer Hospice. Also their contribution towards skill development and training, promoting peace. They conducted a peace walk at the KBR Park, clean water provisions and sanitation and hygiene, supporting education, supporting Teachers Day celebrations, and a lot of new member inductions. Also, they are number 2 in the Twin Cities region youth services, Twin Cities region disease prevention and treatment, club membership growth, number 2 at the district membership growth extension, number 2 in district speaker meetings, and number two also in the District Rotary Foundation. Also, they are a Silver Star Club, 10,000 plus USD clubs. It is also known for their 500 USD contribution towards Polio Plus. Yes, the list ended, and big round of applause for them, please. 3 cheers to them.
Large club, Twin Cities, first best club.
ఇన్భద్ర సారపాక తర్వాత ఇన్కొల్లు సెంట్రల్.
Inbhadra Sarapaka, designated certificates, economic and community development, Sharma Manish, Siddharth Mohanty, Srinivasan, Singh, Murali Krishna, and number 1 club in Telangana region for environment projects. And special recognition for in large clubs, first best secretary award for K. Murali Mohan Kumar, Inbhadra Sarapaka.
తర్వాత ఇన్కొల్లు సెంట్రల్ అండి. కింద పవర్ పాయింట్ కింద కూడా నెక్స్ట్ క్లబ్ పేరు ఉంది, దయచేసి ఒకసారి అది కూడా చూసుకోగలరు.
సాంప్రదాయ హైదరాబాద్ ఎవరు ఉన్నారా? సైనిక్ పురి,
సైనిక్ పురి సికింద్రాబాద్.
మూర్తి గారు రావాలి. సైనిక్ పురి సికింద్రాబాద్, సేవ్ ద ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ సర్టిఫికేట్, ఎకనామిక్ అండ్ కమ్యూనిటీ డెవలప్మెంట్ సర్టిఫికేట్, డిసీజ్ ప్రివెన్షన్ అండ్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ సర్టిఫికేట్, మెటర్నల్ చైల్డ్ హెల్త్, డీజీ సైటేషన్ సిల్వర్. And new member inductions by Chitran, Sharada Prakki, Srihari, Murthy Prakki, and Vincent Philomen Raj. And Twin Cities region club membership growth, number 1 club, youth services, number 3 club in region, Twin Cities region all round community services, number 3 club, Silver Star club in membership recognition, $2,000 to $5,000 recognition club. And special recognitions, 3rd best club in Twin Cities region, medium clubs. First best president in the medium clubs, Murthy Prakki, Sainik Puri.
శాటిలైట్ క్లబ్ ఆఫ్ హైదరాబాద్,
Satellite Club, Hyderabad Deccan.
సత్తెనపల్లి.
Deccan Club ఏముంది? Deccan Club ఏమన్నాయా? Satellite Club. ఒక్క నిమిషం రాదు కదా.
తర్వాత సత్తెనపల్లి క్లబ్ మెంబర్స్ రెడీగా ఉండవలసిందండి. తర్వాత సికింద్రాబాద్, ఆర్సీ సికింద్రాబాద్.
Satyanapalli, please come forward. Project contribution, their parents, Deccan people are collecting. And now Satyanapalli, please be available, sir. Satyanapalli, disease prevention and treatment certificate, peace and conflict resolution certificate, basic education literacy certificate, and supporting education teacher day celebrations certificate for Satyanapalli. Thank you, Satyanapalli, for being here. Now, Secunderabad, Dikshit garu, పరిగెత్తుకుంటూ వచ్చి ముందు నిలబడండి మీ టీంతో. ట్రీట్మెంట్, బేసిక్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అండ్ లిటరసీ, అండ్ ఫైటింగ్ డిసీజ్, ఇన్స్టాలింగ్ శానిటైజింగ్ అండ్ డిస్ఇన్ఫెక్షన్ ఛాంబర్ ఎట్ వేరియస్ ప్లేసెస్, ప్రమోటింగ్ పీస్ అండ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ ప్యాకెట్స్ టు ద నీడీ, సేవింగ్ మదర్ అండ్ చైల్డ్, ఎస్టాబ్లిషింగ్ ఎగ్ బ్యాంక్స్ ఇన్ వేరియస్ ప్లేసెస్, సపోర్టింగ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ టీచర్స్ డే సెలబ్రేషన్స్, and DG citation silver. Please give big round of applause for the DG citation for Secunderabad Club. And new member induction, Kishan Valmiki.
నెక్స్ట్ సికింద్రాబాద్ ఐకాన్స్. సికింద్రాబాద్ ఐకాన్స్.
And Secunderabad Club in Twin Cities region, number 1 in public image, number 2 in membership extension, number 3 in club membership growth, number 1 in district youth services, and new membership recognition club, Star Club, stretcher beds projects, and number 1 in Twin Cities region, all round community services, and designated certificate, save the environment, economic and community development. Yeah, and there are some special recognitions for Secunderabad Club, large clubs, president or secretary na cheppandi, large clubs, first best president, and secretary, second best secretary in large clubs, Twin Cities region. అన్నీ దీక్షిత్గా లాక్కెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు ఇక్కడ, నేను ఏం మిగల్చుకోండి ఎవరికి. అండ్ నౌ గోస్ టు What is the last option for them? Second best club, Secunderabad. I am inviting our chief guest, Mahesh Kotbagi garu, RI Director. Sir, thank you so much, sir, for joining for our event. Mahesh ji. Hearty congratulations to Secunderabad Club. Time to honor our own district, pearls, diamonds and gems. Who is that? PDGs. Now I am inviting whomever I am seeing the PDGs in line, I am just inviting onto the dais. I request First Lady Vijita garu to come onto the dais. Ramesh garu. All PDGs, DGs, DGN of District 3150. Now I am requesting our IPDG Hanmant Reddy garu to honor each and every one PDG and RI officers here on the dais. శ్రీరామూర్తి గారు అండ్ చిన్నపరెడ్డి గారు.
Lessons I'm playing inside music. Public enemy number one. 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 Wax at the Terminator X1. Public enemy number one. Public enemy number one. Public enemy number
RI Director, most dynamic and handsome personality, Dr. Mahesh Kotbagi garu onto the dais. Please give big round of applause for our leader. I request Vijita garu to give welcome our director with them. Okay. Now may I request Padmini Garu to give introduction of our chief guest, RA Director Dr. Mahesh Kodbagi Garu.
Fortune and proud privilege to introduce RI Director Rotarian Dr. Mahesh. Past District Governor Dr. Mahesh has completed MD in Gynecology from Pune University. He was a gold medalist. He was the District Governor for RID 3131 during the year 2005-2006 and led the team of Rotary volunteers for African Medical Mission to Lesotho. He has trained several districts at national and international levels. To name a few, he was a chairman, District Governor Training Seminar in KL Institute and also trainer at Dubai Institute. He has been instrumental in several Rotary publications like TRF Hand Guide, District Bifurcation Procedure, etc. He has completed more than 100 service projects including Cow Bank for women, village women, recreational audio video for disabled children benefiting 10,000 children, computer labs in 100 plus schools, etc. Eye camps and cataract surgeries for 10,000 plus rural people. He is a major donor TRF level 2 plus benefactor. He has received many awards and recognitions including the service above self from Rotary International. Let's put our hands together to welcome past District Governor Dr. Mahesh, RA District 2123.
RA District Director. Welcome, sir. Please address us.
A very, very good evening, friends. District Governor Prabhakar and of course the hero of this today's program, none other Hanmant and all the past governors sitting here along with 3160, my colleagues of 3150 and my friends. First of all, please let me see who were the presidents last year. Hanmant's here, who were the club presidents? Can you please stand up first? I see less number of presidents and more number of votes. What is it? So first of all, thank you all presidents. It was you who got me here on this stage. So I'm just acknowledging from my bottom of my heart. So I just thought, when Hanman told me that he wants to have the award program, he wanted me to come here. And I said, I will not come only for you, but I'll come for my presidents last year who trusted me so much. And what can I say about Hanuman? I knew one story in Ramayana. In Ramayana only there was one Hanuman in those days, that's what they said. And that Hanuman was one who burned his tail for someone else's wife and got her back without touching her. I think that was the story. And then later I did not know that another Hanuman can be born who again conquered during the COVID period, sitting at home. He is the only governor, I will tell you, in the entire India who went to each and every club for official club visit or a governor's visit. He never ever said that reason, there is a COVID, there is a problem, there is a lockout. So I think one round of applause to your governor of the last year for his commitment. No wonder he was the president in the silver jubilee year of his club and the first governor of Armour who made him a governor over here, adding 600 members, several Rotractors, almost I think 25 clubs. And again, I think yeoman service for Rotary Foundation's entire total giving. So I think that is the commitment of leadership. Today, on a lighter note, I asked, where is Hanmant on the airport? So Prabhakar keeps on meeting me at the airport. I call him district governor of the airport. Today is the fourth time in last 3 months he came to receive me. In fact, my colleagues in my state and my district, they're having a doubt in me. Sam, you will not understand. Recently, I got a message. They said, have I made another house in Hyderabad or what? Oh. So this is what it happens when you showcase too much of love to some other people and district. But more or less, when I asked Prabhakar, I said, where is Hanuman today? And you know, Prabhakar said he has taken tremendous stress for the today's program. I don't know why Rajshekhar he is taking so much of stress. So as a gynecologist and as a doctor, I want to tell you, you know, today is the awards program. You should not have stress at all. Because stress is something which comes very automatically. You know, I'm not going to give you a lot of lecture on Rotary or something. So I said, what is stress? You all can hear me, no? Last line. Otherwise, I'm going to come there and give you stress. So what is stress, you know? So simple story, what happened about the stress was, there was one very nice gentleman like maybe Hanuman who was driving his car from the road. And then there was one very young, smart lady who saw that there is only one gentleman in the car. So she stopped the car and said, I want a lift. Okay. So this is a Rotarian guy, 4-way test holder. He thought, let us help me and all. So he stops the car. That lady walks in the car. And after 5-10 minutes, he drives. And then suddenly he realizes that a lady is fainted in the car. So he now gets stressed. Okay. An unknown lady coming in the car and getting stressed. So he takes her to the hospital. And when she is taken to the hospital, the doctors check her. And when they check her, the doctors tell that this lady is pregnant. Another stress, Hanuman. Okay. So the doctor comes and tells, congratulations, you are going to be a father. He says, no, I am not the father. I am not the father. Because now the story is, no one knows the real story, what is happening. Of course, not to Mrs. Hanuman, I am saying, but the real story, what I am trying to explain. So after some time, the lady wakes up. And doctor asks her, is he your child's father? So she says, yes, he is my child's father. See how the stress builds up. When you take one stress, second stress comes. Second comes, the third stress comes. Now, then there is a DNA test. You know, in medical legal cases, the DNA test gets performed. And in the test completely, they come up to the conclusion that he is not the father of that child, and this is the mother of that child. So there is nothing, there is no linkage on that. He feels very happy. He says, God is great. I won. The truth is there. So he walks out of the hospital outside with stress-free. And the moment he walks out, then he realizes that in the DNA report, it has been mentioned that you can never have a child. Another stress. And while driving back, he realizes that he already has 2 children. So, ladies and gentlemen, award is a program to reward. You should do fun, frolic, you know, must, mouch. I always call these kinds of program, you know. Jawahar will agree. You must have gone and saw some orchestras and symphonies. You know, symphony is something like a larger platform of instruments and singers and people come together. I always tell Rotary is a symphony. It's as simple as that. So many past governors, so many past presidents, so many Rotarians, they depict one and one individually something like a great performer. For a moment you think that this stage is a symphony. So there is someone who's playing drums, someone who's playing a guitar, someone who's playing a saxophone, a piano, and maybe, you know, a different kind of instruments all over here. I think that's why I said you all are the actual stars of this evening. You have performed well. You are supposed to get acknowledged today. And I'm very happy the entire district committee is recognizing you for your efforts. But at the end, I will only tell you, there is nothing like your year, my year, or someone else's year. In Rotary and in service, every day, every minute, every second, it's something like a heartbeat. I always say you cannot miss a heartbeat. So you cannot miss a service. There is a very, very big difference on that. So whatever your assignment was there, whatever your Rotary year was there, whoever your leader was there, I feel your belonging should be to the organization and continue this great work, because I believe service is the path of spiritualism. And I think that is the time when you feel good that I've done something great for someone else. So keep on doing good work. Recommendations, recognitions, awards, rewards, and photographs will always follow. But more important is, you must build up the memories for the next generation. That yes, my mother, my grandmother, my someone in the family member did some good work. And that's why last time also I went to Chinnappa's conference, no, Chinnappa's award program. And I was just telling him, every time I am on the stage, so many people click photographs. I must have clicked, I don't know, I have lost the count. But I think Chinnappa, I think few lakhs of photographs in last 100 days of time. But then there is a puzzle. Where do I keep my photographs? Because in olden time, we used to put these photographs in the halls, in the first room. Even in your houses, there must be photographs. But see the new houses, the new skyscrapers, towers, the beautiful houses who are designed by the architects and interior designers. So first, they remove that photograph from the main hall. And they say that your photograph does not match to the interior of the hall. So that photograph comes out from the main hall and they put it in the bedroom. Okay. The moment it goes to the bedroom, then the new son gets married and his bahu comes inside the house. And she says, remove that grandfather's photograph from here. I can't look at him and do a honeymoon. How can one look at some photograph who's no more and do a honeymoon in the room? So that photograph comes out from the bedroom. Then they put it in some drawer in the table. And after slowly, steadily, that photo comes out from there and they put that photograph in the loft. So friends, the value of your remembrance is not on the trophy, award or a photograph. But value of your existence is your grandchild saying, yes, my father built that school and supported someone. And my mother helped 5 children for maybe a heart surgery or for some healthcare program. Someone will say, my grandmother, she used to teach the lady who used to work in my house, who was my housemaid or maybe a gardener in the family or maybe a driver. And then he became literate. I'll tell you, these stories will never have a shelf life. These are non-perishable stories which generations and generations will always remember. And they will believe that yes, I belong to that kind of a family which I have a pride. And I feel, ladies and gentlemen, you all deserve to be that legacy person for the future generation. God bless you and have a great evening. Bye-bye.